Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can fix or continue setup if you accidentally pressed Ctrl+C just like this and canceled your setup on the clawdbot or moltbot. So let's get started. Now as you can see, I pressed Ctrl+C and then canceled the setup accidentally. So what you would need to do to continue the setup. So before I actually show you how you can continue the setup, you would need to know that once you cancel the setup, most of the settings that you enabled or disabled or customized towards you will be deleted. So you can't actually continue exactly where you left off, but some settings like the chat app that you selected might actually be saved. But essentially the command that you would need to use is just this command, clawdbot onboard. So clawdbot space onboard and then just press enter. And that will restart the onboarding wizard and the onboarding process. So you can just continue from here, just like this. So quick start, use existing values or reset, and just continue from there. But essentially guys, that's the only way on how you can continue with the setup process if you accidentally exit to the terminal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.